Hi, welcome to my channel, Belle Tells Stories. The story I want to share with you today is about 6 super women who come from different places in Vietnam and have never ever met each other before. The one thing they have in common is the passion to study English. They got on a ship named Early Birds. The captain was Belle, following an instruction from a supreme sorcerer called Miss Thủy Tulip. So together, they sailed the world to find a magic pill to master English. And as you may guess, there was no pill like that for them, of course. However, they discovered their inner strength. It is their self-awareness, it is their persistence that guided them through the fear of speaking English in front of other people. And they finally found out their own way to pursue this language effectively. And you know what? This is actually our team story. We have spent 3 months working together to improve our pronunciation as well as listening and reading skill. So we decided to create an ebook to wrap up our own journey. And in this ebook we had written about the topics that we are so interested in. And in this video, I'm so honored to introduce you to all my teammates, to my amazing 6 super women, super mom, super working mom. Now, without further ado, let us guide you through what we have done in our book.
Hello friends, my name is Minh Thu. I am a literature teacher in Ho Chi Minh City. I am 35 years old. At this age, I started learning English. I really love Miss Thủy Tulip English class, and I am very happy to study with Belle, a young and talented teacher assistant. My favorite qualities: know a new language, open the world. I love traveling to experience nature, so I usually choose natural places. Today, I want to introduce to you a place in my hometown. Do you know the most famous rainforest in Vietnam? Vietnam has many tropical rainforests that play an important role in Vietnamese life. For example, Cúc Phương in Ninh Bình, Bù Gia Mập in Bình Phước, Nam Cát Tiên in Đồng Nai. Now, I invite you to visit Nam Cát Tiên National Park, Vietnam's most popular rainforest. Cát Tiên National Park, lying across 3 provinces, Đồng Nai, Lâm Đồng, and Bình Phước, is one of the most beautiful research natural attractions of Vietnam. The park is home to various species, from fauna to flora. Some are listed as rare animals and plants, together with grassfields and streams. Joining in a Cát Tiên National Park trip, tourists will feel full of energy in the great nature. There are plenty of activities, from paddling along the river, hiking, cycling, or camping. I love cycling slowly in the middle of the forest, which gives me a sense of tranquility and optimism. It's not enough if you just have a Cát Tiên National Park trip. You should spend the night there and enjoy a guided night safari. Tourists are carried and guided through the forest and see the animals running around, finding their prey or hiding from their predators. It's interesting, isn't it? If you want to experience nature, welcome to Nam Cát Tiên National Park.
Hi everyone, I'm Tú Anh. I'm living in Hanoi. I'm really interested in learning English. It helped me gain a lot of useful knowledge and skills in life. So it's great to join this English class. I want to thank my teaching assistant and teammates for helping each other to improve each week. To me, the most important things are to live a valuable life happily and to develop myself constantly. That's also why I took this course. And in the future, I will continue to study this language to become more influent. In life, I'm always interested in organic nutrition, safe food, and environment protection. So here I have a small essay about energy to stay green and protect our planet. Earth Hour became a global celebration around the world. People gather on this day to talk about preserving our electricity, energy resource. Every year on the last Saturday of the month of March from 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., millions of the world choose to turn off their light for 1 hour to celebrate commitment to the planet. One of these can help to make our environment better. What activities can help involve Earth Hours? We saw landmarks turn off their lights. We can switch off electrical equipment when not in use. Air conditioner set at 26 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius or higher combined with fans when using conditioner. And use power-saving equipment. Earth Hour is a fantastic celebration of changing our everyday behavior. But what else could you do? Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, I am Tiên. My full name is Như Thủy Tiên. I'm in my 40s. I graduated from Cần Thơ University in 2003 with bachelor's degree in accounting finance. I'm married and have 3 children, one son and 2 younger daughters. I think I am happy and peaceful. I love to explore the world by traveling, experience, and doing sport. To work effectively and develop ourselves, discipline is very important. My working motto is nothing is impossible. Therefore, I try my best in whatever I do. In life, I love nature, enjoy exploring and playing sports. That's why I often plan for the little children to have day of immersing in outdoor activities. In modern society, with fast paced supply, people focus on studying and working using computer, phones, and many social networks. They are lazy to exercise at distance terrains and have no several skills. Many outside activities have balanced life, such as camping, mountain climbing, trekking. With these activities, children can play nature games, live in nature, and do more exercise, which help kids develop their brains and stimulate their 5 senses. Older children may start with anxiety and fear after all. Everything will turn into normal joys that bring them happiness and excitement. Getting outside helps kids stay away from their phones and begin to associate physical activity with higher learning. It's really a great experience for children and build relationship with friends and family. Thank you for watching.
Hi everyone, my name is I'm 8 years old. I have a small family in Hanam province. Life away in motion, but when the COVID pandemic hit, I noticed that moving more. So life has given me the opportunity to meet many friends. I want to ways to develop myself and accompany my children in learning path through habit building. A long journey begins with a single step. I choose for myself good habits, such as getting up early and reading books. There are many times when I am tired and I want to give up, but looking at you guys are still trying every day, then I keep trying. Even up is maybe slower. I want to be the best version of myself, a young and happy woman. Thank you to my companions for giving me beautiful experiences. Now, I will talk about the topic of build habits, trending lives. What time do you usually get up? What do you usually do then? Are you happy with the action you are doing? If that, I believe you are in a good habit. What are good habits and how does it affect your life? Habits are actions that are repeated every day. When you get up early, you have more time to exercise. When you wake up early, you have more time to read books. When you wake up early, you have more time to see life. And when you wake up early, you love yourself. So, how do you get into those good habits? In my opinion, you need to find yourself a purpose. Be persistent and have a specific plan. Let's say you want to make it a habit to teach early to start a new day. You should go to bed early. Set the clock at specified times. The first few days will be difficult for you. Keep trying hard. Then, when it's become a habit, you can easily get up early without feeling tired, and you will realize that you are doing the right thing. And I am also training myself to get early. I want to be a happy person. And you? Do you want to be a happy person?
Hi everyone, I'm Như Thủy. I'm 37 years old. I live in Daklak with my small family. I'm currently working at home. I want to learn English to develop myself, so I signed up for Miss Thủy Tiên class. I'm very happy to study with Chambel the teaching assistant, and my teammates who are able to learn common like me. Everyone knows water plays a very important role in the body. Let's learn about this topic together. Most people know that water is important with our body, but not anyone drinks enough every day. Let's learn about the role of water with body. Body makes up 70 to 80% of body water. Water has cleaned out of kidneys and get rid of toxins. Water has intestine can more easily take out nutrients from our food. With the benefits of water, now we learn about to drink enough. We should drink a glass of water each morning right after waking up. The temperature of the water should be similar to body temperature. Each person needs 1,600 milliliters of water a day. However, we shouldn't drink too much water at once. It will be harmful to kidneys. Thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Như Quỳnh. I'm 34 years old. I'm an office worker. My hobby is cooking, reading books, learning English, and playing with my son. Learning English is beneficial for me so much, improving my brain, being decisive, and feeling happy. So I like learning English so much. My proverb is good health is the best wealth. If you want to do everything you want, your health should be really good. So do you know how to stay healthy? Oh, people know that staying healthy is about eating nutritious food, drinking water, sleeping on time, and do exercising. Do you like these activities? According to the researchers, in order to have a healthy body, to fight diseases, you should eat vegetables, eat grains, drink water enough, or do exercise, and sleep on time in relaxing home. But some people tend to mistakenly make their health more bad. For example, they eat so much vegetables, drink so much water, do very hard exercise, go to sleep with stress, or sleep all day without going outside. This causes some problem for your health, make you more stressed out and result in stomachache and more bad kidney. What about you? Change your mind and choose the best to stay healthy.
They choose English to be their self-growth project. What have you done to improve yourself? Thank you, Ms. Thủy Tulip, for giving us the chance to know and learn together and remind us to believe in ourselves. Persistence is the key to success.